Comic beats.
Yeah, I never knew I could feel it. Never knew things could be this way. I fell in love with your spirit. Can't get your face, I'm afraid. I'm making songs for to hear it, but I can't tell if you can play. Trust me, I'll be the realest. Stay true to my last stand. What do I gotta do just to prove to you that I'm gonna be there for you, baby, like I'm supposed to do?
All right, Brian's first lake are over 20. Ooh. Oh boy, Brian, fish number 2.
Lots of heater. I'll show you the line on the bottom of it. There he is.
How's it look? Pretty good?
Didn't see it completely.
Yeah, he was literally explaining to me what happened, and the fish came in and did exactly that.
Did it miss him first?
Yeah, he missed him first, and then that one was aggressive.
Yeah. Where is he? I saw him. I just saw my hook. I think he's nice.
I'm assuming.
Yeah, he's nice. He should be about the same or bigger, I think. Yeah. I could tail grab him, but fuck that.
No.
Back him up if you can. I might have to. Fuck. I don't know if I should.
That might help, though.
I pushed him away. There he is. Lift up. If you, oh, wait. No, lift up.
There we go. Another nice fish.
Yeah.
Probably a little bit smaller than the other one. About similar.
Oh.
He's
Stinger
groaning.
Only. Stinger hook.
Oh, yeah. Keeps groaning.
Oh, 26.
26. Inch smaller. It's still big. All right. There it is. Fish number 2 for Brian.
Ready?
And for our little day trip. This is not so graceful.
No.
Good fish. All right, it's our 3rd fish of the day. Probably another 26 incher, I'd say. So let's get them back. Oh, he's still there. Keep it going. He's having a hard time going down.
Lift him back up again.
Well, he's like stuck. Oh, because of your crooked hole.
Yep.
We'll do this again. All right.
Hold that.
We got another one here. Can you finally get one in here?
Brian popped the deucer out. It's stuck. I think it's froze. Just pop it hard.
All right, come on, Butler. It's right there.
It wants to go.
Yeah, loosen the tray a little bit.
Ooh, it's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Its head's right here.
Holy crap! Butler saved himself on that one.
Not messing around today.
Not messing around. Whew. Hold that up.
Did my line snap?
Yeah. Completely snapped.
He had his hand in that hole before I could even move.
That is a nice fish.
Watch your fingers right next
Oh, yeah.
Too late.
That one's probably, what, 28? All right, let's get a measurement on him. What does that say?
29.
Here she goes.
All right, beautiful fish. Brian better reel up first. Man, they like to take off. There we go. Fish number 4 on the day. Brian with his 3rd of the day. How far away is he?
He was jigging like 5 feet below the ice.
Just for fun?
Well, there was a weird mark coming in up there. So he's like, no, he was just jigging. He's like, what? Did you even see it? Did you even? I dropped back down to 20 and he came and smoked it. Oh, he's all wrapped up. That's why he...
Back him up if you can. Not a bad fish.
There he goes.
It's not a bad fish. Just another of that same year class.
Oh, you lucky.
Oh,
Oh, stinger hook too? Oh, yeah, that's what got him.
it's like there's no way that first hook got him. Well,
Get out there, Zach.
you probably don't have any reason to measure this one or do anything with it.
I'm just gonna get a picture with it. Should we keep this one for dinner?
Yeah, we can do that.
That'd be a good eater. Yeah.
So I guess we'll have our first eater here of the day.
Finally a small enough fish. Yeah. You're welcome. It's my specialty.
All right, so we got ourselves a 29 incher here. Fish number 6. And make sure he gets a good release. Just like that. It's been a good day so far. So we're calling it a day. We ended up with 6 fish and we lost quite a few to go with it as well. So overall it ended up being a pretty good day. So thanks for watching and we're gonna finish this long hike back.
All of your life. Feelings in my head, I can't explain without this pain.